Hi boys, si Red to. Um, you guys all know that yung previous video was technically about things na expected, things na about yung group and all. Pero ang gusto ko ngayon is makilala nyo ako as a person. Medyo mahirap yon. So ito na, simulan ko na lang. Sana hindi masyado mahaba. Ayun, ako si Red, 29, professionally a nurse, and yun yung basic info na I have to share with you guys. So, about me and being on transition, I'm already 5 months on it. I'm 5 months on T. I use Sustanon 250. I shoot weekly. That's about 2 to 2.5 ml a week. So, every 7 days, I have a shot. So, it's really not easy. Siguro, you might think na porke nurse ako, madali na siya. Pero yung sa first shot ko, although I know the techniques and all, I will be sharing to you guys yung techniques and how to shoot. Okay, sa ibang video siguro. Pero right now, it's about me. So, bear with me. Natakot ako. Sobrang alam ko mag-break ng ampule. Madali lang. Aspirate, inject. Napakasimple, di ba? Para lalo na sa isang professional na katulad ko. Pero, iba kapag ikaw na. So, let's put that aside and talk about me instead. So, there. Bata pa lang ako, may mali na. Okay, I've never really liked toys na pambabae. There was this time na yung tito ko nagdala ng doll galing Saudi, malaki, yung may CD na maliit, tapos pa-play siya. Tapos natakot ako. Ang gusto ko yung may bang barel. So, sabi siguro ng iba, face lang yan. Since nag-aral pa ako sa exclusive school, medyo parang maraming girls, di ba? Siyempre, ano ba yan, di ba? Fiesta. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, baka face nga lang. So, college ako, sabi ko, eto na, college na. Nag-co-ed ako, punta ako UST. So, after nun, sabi ko, parang iba pa rin. Kasi yung mga male na, yung cis males na kasama ko, tropa lang. So, there's something going on there. But, as years passed by, I never really labeled myself. I mean, hindi ko sinabing butch ako. Hindi ko sinabing lesbian ako, lalong-lalo na. Kasi, hirap akong tanggapin. Sabi ko lang, ako to. So, bahala na. Fast forward last year, I was logging onto YouTube. Tapos, nakita ko yung mga FTMs. Nakita ko yung unang-unang FTM na nakita ko sa Pilipinas, si Kuya Hiko. Nakita ko, nagte-testosterone siya. Sabi ko, ano to? So, research ako. Literal research. Nod ako ng YouTube, ibang mga trans men abroad, procedures, yan. Kaya natutunan ko yung YouTube na yan, huwag niyong i-take for granted. Diyan mo malalaman yung rules na kailangan pagdaanan, lalo na sa mga lugar na legal ang transitioning, sa US, sa Canada, sa Singapore, sa Australia. Lahat ng resources na alam ko, lahat ng bagay na alam ko, nakuha ko sa internet. Okay? Nasa sa inyo yan, uwi nyo kung alin yung credible at hindi. Para sa akin, mas credible yung YouTube kasi kita mo yung tao parang kausap ka niya, sinasabi niya sa'yo yung experiences niya, mga pinaghihirapan niya, mga challenges. So, doon nakita ko, hindi simple ang transitioning. So, research. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, actually, I've given myself until I'm 30 to decide whether or not to take tea. Pero, dumating yung time na parang, alam ko na lahat. Ito lang para malaman nyo, hindi lahat ng trans guys nagte-testosterone. Yung iba, alam nilang guys sila in the head, in the heart. Body, hindi. They would opt not to have it. Some would choose to have chest surgery, top surgery, instead of testosterone. Some would have testosterone first, then top surgery. Some would opt to have testosterone, top surgery, and not bottom surgery. Okay, maraming choices. Ang pagiging trans, hindi yan sa physical. Okay? Gusto ko lang i-reiterate na sa lahat ng mga kakilala ko, sa lahat ng mga nabasa ko, hindi porke trans ka, mag-HRT ka na. Yun lang. Yun ang kailangan isigurado nyo kasi there's no turning back. Like, kung ano yung mga sinasabi nila, no turning back. So anyway, I started it March of 2012, this year lang, and I'm 5 months on it. I lost my girlfriend because of it. So make sure, not entirely, but one of the factors, kasi mag-iiba ka eh. Make sure na ready ang family mo, ang partner mo, at lalo na ikaw, to accept yung mga pwede magbago. I really have to make this fast kasi magsi 6 minutes na naman ako. Ayun. So, I just hope you guys think about it very well. I'm not gonna discourage you because nobody knows you but you. Pero, in the end, it's gonna be you. Okay? Tanggalin mo yung physical changes. Tanggalin mo yung relationship. Tanggalin mo yung sasabihin ng society. What do you really want? That is something that I would want you to think about very well before you start anything. So, 6 minutes na. Gotta go.